Welcome to the Mandatory Settlement Conference calendar of the San Francisco Real Property Court. This calendar is set only for unlawful detainer cases that are set for jury trial. Mandatory settlement conferences are held on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, 1 week before your trial date. Mandatory settlement conferences are held on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, 1 week before your trial date. For example, if your trial is set for Monday, June 17, 2024, your settlement conference in a jury trial will be on June 11th, June 12th, June 13th in the afternoon at 1:30 or a 3 p.m. slot. When you appear for your settlement conference, you will check in with the clerk of the court. At that time, you may also meet a volunteer attorney who is there to help you negotiate for your case. It is extremely helpful for you to know what it is you want the outcome of the case to be and how you want to get there. For example, if you're a defendant in a case and the landlord is trying to evict you because you did not pay your rent, then you may decide that you want to vacate the property, but have an idea how long you want before you vacate the property. Are you going to be ready to vacate in a week, a month, or in 6 months? Be realistic when you make your offer to the landlord. Or if you want to stay and pay off your debt over time, also be realistic as to how much you can afford paying monthly towards your back rent. This will help you, and this will be a great starting point. The landlord may just agree. If you are the landlord, also have an idea how far you're willing to go to forego the trial, or if you're really interested in going to trial. At that point, have a conversation, and if you cannot reach an agreement, you will know that you are back in court on Monday for your jury trial. Be prepared for your trial call by filing your jury instructions, your witness list, your exhibit list, or your trial briefs. If you settle your case before the trial, you can notify the court at any time before the trial call that the case has settled and may go off the trial call calendar. You're not limited to the mandatory settlement conference discussions. Please continue to talk. If your settlement conference is on Tuesday, you may continue to talk to each other Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or even over the weekend, and you may reach an agreement. At that time, you will not be required to appear for trial, and the plaintiff may notify the court that the case has been resolved. Remember, the settlement conferences are mandatory. You must appear. Be here on time and have an idea as to how you want to resolve the case. If you are the defendant, you may get help from volunteer attorneys for that segment of your case.